Okay, I will explain about the Helsinki Capital Group Berhad in Kanslim analysis. Okay, Helsinki current core business are property development, investment and trading. Helsinki also runs international schools and private national schools. Okay, for current earning growth, current earning should increase by 20% compared to the same quarter for the year before. We were able to identify and analyze the current earning growth through the earning per share of the company. We can get the information on malaysiastock.biz. For the first quarter, the EPS grew by 400%, and for second quarter, the EPS decreased by 76.36%, and for third and fourth quarter, there also a decrease in the EPS growth. As a conclusion, the growth of Helsinki EPS on increase on the first quarter, while other three quarter decreased with a huge number. I can conclude that Helsinki Capital Group Berhad did not qualify the O'Neill recommendation. Okay, then for the annual earning growth, O'Neill suggests us to invest in company with over 25% of annual earning growth rate and the ROE over 17% to make sure the company is effectively investing its capital. In order to find the annual earning growth for this company, we should look at CAGR that stay in the table that measure an investment's annual growth rate over time. The annual earning growth for this company is negative 61.02%. The ROE also state the negative number, which is negative 52.50%, that really make this company in dangerous condition. All of the number do not fit the O'Neill recommendation. Okay, then for the N, which is new product, new management or news, from their official website, the good news is Helsinki Capital Group Berhad gained a new achievement when the entire final year student of Peninsula International School received the internationally recognized and accepted to be Australian equivalent of A-level. During the pandemic COVID-19, Helsinki Capital Group Berhad and the Great House also found a way to help people making part-time job. This company currently offers 3 property product based, which is EduCentral, EduSphere, and EduMetro. Both the good news and new product really affect the stock price when the current EPS, which is on March 2021, state the higher EPS than before. It states 0.31 per share than 0.06 per share on the last December. Okay, for supply and demand, we need to take a look on the average daily trading volume. We can get the chart from the OneDelta.app. For Helsinki Capital Group Berhad, the highest traded volume within 30 days is 24064K, while the lowest is 330K. The results state that Helsinki Capital Group Berhad recent daily traded volume is 33.33% lower than the past month's average. This means that there are only a fewer shares trades in the market that make it less liquidity and increase the stock price volatility. There is low demand of Helsinki Capital Group Berhad stock that not good for us to invest in this company. Okay, then for the leader or laggard, there are 3 ways that we can use to determine the market leader and market laggard. First way is refer to the market capitalization. Helsinki that has 746.47 M of market capitalization and can categorize as laggard. Then way number 2, which is look at PE ratio for its stock. From 89 companies in these property industries, Helsinki is among the highest with 200 as the PE ratio and can categorize as leader. Then number 3, which is stock price growth. From the chart, we can see that Helsinki Capital Group Berhad is leading with growth of 39.34%. As a conclusion, I can say that Helsinki Group Berhad is a market leader in the property industries. Okay, for institutional investor, from data, Helsinki, a company from finance and insurance industry, contribute the most share, followed by other company in banking industry, which are M-Bank and Kenanga Investment. Only these 3 companies that related with the institutional investor. As a conclusion, the institutional investor are not interested with HCK company. And it can be proven when there are only small adjusted float, which is 4.44%, that will impact the stock price when the investor trade in a large amount of stock. This few amount of adjusted float will increase the stock volatility and decrease the stock's liquidity. Okay, then for market direction. Market direction is an important criteria to get an accurate result when using Cancelim analysis. In order to get the best stock, we need to purchase stock in uptrend market. To identify the uptrend market, we can use the technical analysis such as trend lines or moving average. We can get it from iSaham. From the chart, we can see that there is an uptrend of HCK Capital Group stock in market. The share price start increasing on early September and keep increasing until today. The price support is 1.31 and the price resistance is 1.73. That make this company a preferred stock to buy. Other than that, the moving average trend also can be used to determine the market trend. From the chart, at moving average 200, it states that the number of 1.35, which is higher than support, which is 1.31 before. Okay, as the conclusion, HCK Capital Group Berhad is doing well according to Cancelim analysis because its company fulfilled 3 over 7 Cancelim criteria, which are having a good news, become market leader in the industry, and the most important thing is having the uptrend market. Mainly investors were interested with HCK Capital Group because it is in uptrend market. Although this company did not fulfill the other 4, it still have a good opportunity to improve their stock when having an uptrend market. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.